evening, sir. I am Midshipman John Vincent Santo Domingo, proud student of BSMT 2A10. I choose the maritime course because ever since I was young, I've been fascinated by the sea and the life of seafarers. I believe that this course will not only help me explore the world, but also provide me with the opportunity to support my family and make a successful life. In class, I show respect by listening attentively, following instruction, being punctual, and treating both my teachers and classmates with kindness and professionalism. I believe that respect creates a healthy learning environment where we all can grow. 5 years from now, I see myself already working on board a ship as a responsible and skilled seafarer, gaining experience and preparing for greater responsibilities in the maritime field. The legacy I want to leave behind is to be remembered as a respectful, determined, and dependable student, someone who inspired others to work hard, stay humble, and never give up on their dreams.